Bangladesh, traditional ploughing is more than just farming. It's a practice steeped in heritage and connection to the land. For generations, farmers have relied on age-old methods to cultivate rice fields, embracing the rhythm of nature to prepare for each new season. With sturdy plows and resilient oxen, farmers harness the power of animals and hand-forged tools. Their hands grip the wooden handles with practiced ease, guiding the oxen in slow, deliberate paths, turning the soil with each stride. This method not only enriches the soil, aerating it naturally, but also preserves a sustainable, eco-friendly way of life. Unlike modern machinery, traditional plowing brings no pollution to the fields, relying on the strength of animals and the will of the farmer. In Bangladesh, traditional plowing isn't just farming. It's a testament to resilience, tradition, and the enduring bond between people and their land.